forum organization is crucial for maintaining a valuable resource for the electrical contracting community. Discussions benefit from clear boundaries. The electrical contracting and estimating management topics are distinct from National Electrical Code, or NEC, related inquiries. Directing questions appropriately streamlines the forum and enables users to find relevant information efficiently. It is important to separate these discussions. We can think about it in terms of topic buckets. One bucket contains electrical contracting and estimating management. This bucket encompasses aspects such as project bidding, labor costs, material pricing, contract negotiation, project scheduling, and overall business management within the electrical contracting industry. The other bucket contains National Electrical Code or NEC inquiries. This bucket focuses on specific code requirements, interpretations, and applications of the NEC in various electrical installations. Keeping these topics separate prevents confusion and ensures that individuals with specific expertise in each area can readily contribute to the relevant discussions. An organized forum provides a better user experience, allowing individuals to quickly locate the information they need without sifting through irrelevant content. This can save time and effort, enhancing productivity and satisfaction among forum users. Additionally, an organized forum fosters a sense of community and collaboration. When discussions are focused and relevant, individuals are more likely to engage with one another, share their knowledge, and learn from others' experiences. This can lead to a more vibrant and supportive online environment for electrical professionals. Several strategies can be employed to maintain forum organization. Firstly, clear and concise forum descriptions can help users understand the purpose and scope of each forum. These descriptions should explicitly state the types of questions and discussions that are appropriate for each forum. Secondly, moderators can play a crucial role in enforcing forum guidelines and redirecting misplaced posts to the correct forum. Moderators should be knowledgeable about the subject matter and have the authority to move or delete posts that violate the forum's rules. Thirdly, users can be encouraged to report any posts that they believe are in the wrong forum. This helps to ensure that moderators are aware of any potential issues and can take appropriate action. Fourthly, implementing a tagging system can help users categorize their posts and make them easier to find. Tags should be relevant to the topic of the post and should be used consistently across the forum. Fifthly, providing clear instructions on how to post a question can help users ensure that they are providing all the necessary information. This can include guidance on how to format the question, how to provide relevant background information, and how to use tags. Let's explore some examples of how to differentiate between electrical contracting and estimating management questions and NEC questions. An example of an electrical contracting and estimating management question would be: what is the best way to estimate the cost of a commercial lighting project, taking into account labor, materials, and overhead? This question focuses on the practical aspects of estimating project costs, which falls under the domain of electrical contracting and estimating management. Another example is: what are some effective strategies for managing project schedules and ensuring that projects are completed on time and within budget? This question addresses project management techniques which are relevant to electrical contractors and managers. In contrast, an example of an NEC question would be: what is the minimum size conductor required for a 20 amp circuit supplying receptacles in a dwelling unit, according to the NEC? This question directly relates to a specific code requirement in the NEC. Another example is: what are the requirements for grounding and bonding electrical equipment in a hazardous location, according to the NEC? This question focuses on the NEC regulations for electrical safety in hazardous environments. By understanding the distinction between these types of questions, users can ensure that they are posting their inquiries in the most appropriate forum. This will help to maintain forum organization and facilitate meaningful discussions among electrical professionals. Here is some additional context. Electrical contracting involves the installation, maintenance, and repair of electrical systems in buildings and other structures. Estimating is the process of determining the cost of a project, including labor, materials, and overhead. Management involves planning, organizing, and controlling resources to achieve project goals. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a set of standards for the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment in the United States. It is updated every 3 years and is widely adopted by state and local jurisdictions. The NEC covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. Forums dedicated to electrical contracting and estimating management provide a platform for professionals to share their knowledge, discuss best practices, and seek advice from peers. These forums often cover topics such as project management, cost estimation, contract negotiation, and business development. Forums dedicated to the NEC provide a platform for professionals to discuss code requirements, interpretations, and applications. These forums often cover topics such as wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. Both types of forums are valuable resources for electrical professionals, but it is important to keep them separate to ensure that discussions remain focused and relevant. Misplacing posts can lead to confusion, wasted time, and diluted discussions. Furthermore, an organized forum can help to improve the searchability of information. When questions and answers are categorized correctly, users can easily find the information they need by using the forum search function. This can save time and effort, and it can help to ensure that users are accessing the most up-to-date and relevant information. To summarize, maintaining focus in electrical forums by directing questions to the appropriate forum is crucial for creating a valuable resource for the electrical contracting community. By separating electrical contracting and estimating management discussions from NEC-related inquiries, we can ensure that discussions remain focused, relevant, and easy to navigate. This will benefit all forum users and contribute to a more vibrant and supportive online environment for electrical professionals. Let's consider some additional scenarios to illustrate the importance of forum organization. Suppose a contractor is seeking advice on how to negotiate a change order with a client. This question would be best suited for the Electrical Contracting and Estimating Management Forum, as it relates to business practices and contract management. If this question were posted in the NEC forum, it would likely be overlooked by the target audience and may not receive relevant responses. Conversely, suppose an electrician is unsure about the correct way to size a grounding conductor for a service entrance. This question would be best suited for the NEC forum as it directly relates to a code requirement. If this question were posted in the Electrical Contracting and Estimating Management Forum, it may not receive accurate or complete answers from individuals who are not well versed in the NEC. In addition to ensuring that questions are posted in the correct forum, it is also important to use clear and concise language. This will help to ensure that other users can understand the question and provide helpful responses. Avoid using jargon or acronyms that may not be familiar to all users. Provide sufficient background information to allow others to understand the context of the question. When responding to questions, be respectful and professional. Provide accurate and helpful information and avoid engaging in personal attacks or disrespectful behavior. Remember that the goal of the forum is to share knowledge and help others in the electrical contracting community. Another aspect is to encourage new forum users to familiarize themselves with the forum guidelines and best practices. This can be achieved by providing a welcome message or a set of instructions for new users upon registration. The welcome message should clearly state the purpose of each forum and provide guidance on how to pose questions and participate in discussions. It is also important to actively promote the forums to the electrical contracting community. This can be achieved by advertising the forums in industry publications, at trade shows, and on social media. The more users who participate in the forums, the more valuable they will become. Moreover, regular maintenance and updates are essential for keeping the forums running smoothly. This includes monitoring the forums for spam and inappropriate content, updating the forum software, and ensuring that the forums are accessible to all users. It is also important to solicit feedback from forum users on how to improve the forums. This feedback can be used to make changes to the forum's design, functionality, and content. In conclusion, maintaining focus in electrical forums requires a multifaceted approach that involves clear forum descriptions, active moderation, user reporting, tagging systems, clear posting instructions, and ongoing maintenance and updates. By implementing these strategies, we can create a valuable resource for the electrical contracting community that promotes knowledge sharing, collaboration, and professional development. The commitment to keeping discussions on track directly benefits the electrical contracting and estimating management community and enhances the overall value of the forum as a trusted resource.